Hello everybody, so today I found another interesting stock and its name is F45 Training Holdings. So I don't recommend anybody buying this stock because at this rate this company look like it's about to go bankrupt. So it still have like 234 million market cap, but the cash they have is only around $11 million left in the bank. In last quarter, they just lost like 34.35 million dollars. The only reason like last quarter they lost so much money is that because this company had like a non-recurring one-time legal fee, so they had to pay. But Q1 2022 they were profitable. They were pretty profitable, and Q4 2021 they were profitable as well. But all of a sudden they become unprofitable. And so let's talk. Let me. I forgot to give it a summary on what they do. So F45 is not Platinum Fitness. Is a completely different workout company. Okay, Planet Fitness is like you go into the gym and you work out with dumbbells and equipment, use the equipment. F45 you don't have a lot. You only have like a little bit of equipment. You go in and do 45-minute trainer led uh, uh, training. Okay, so they designed the program and you just go in and do like jumping jacks or dumbbell workout, or you do it with the whole group. And you can I think where I live 40 minutes from my house, they also have a F45 training company, and it's pretty expensive as well. Is I don't know how much, it's like couple $100 per month. Okay, to do it. So just go in. There's two trainers. Usually there's two trainers and in the studio or the gym, and they every day they design a program, 45-minute workout program. The headquarter will design it, and the trainer will implement it and teach and let you do the exercise. So they have right now they have I don't know what so we call them gyms, or so we call them studios. Okay, we're just gonna call them studios. Okay, right now they are the biggest studios in the United States, and they are like one Peloton competitor like Soul Cycle is pretty popular, but there's like it's like tiny compared. They're the biggest in the I think in the world or something, because right now they have already have 1,749 studios open, and and then like they're opening studios really fast. Like last quarter, their last like couple quarters ago, they were trying to like open 1,000 studios a year. That's crazy, but because of the economy is going bad, and so they dropped that. Let me show you. Like they dropped that guidance. Okay, so like previous CEO, yeah, they were like guiding like 1,000 one year, like 1,000 studios, but they dropped that, and then so to 350 to 450 studios opening per year for I think for this year or next year. I don't know. I forgot which one was it. Okay. The reason the guidance drops so bad is because like the studios franchisors, they are having trouble to get loans to open the studio. Okay, it's because the reason is because the economy is going bad, and the investor appetite to invest like or banks is it's like they are not risk favor when the economy is going down. So it's harder for franchisors to get loans, but the companies say that they still have a lot of demand for franchises to open their F45 studio. So I don't know, like F45 studio. I don't know if it's not is a fab, like it's just like one-time trend and it will um it will like die out over time. So I'm not really sure. I think F45 was founded on Australia on 2015, and so they've been growing really fast. So for sure they are the biggest studio in the US. Okay, and and then their revenue 4-year revenue outlook will be 120 million to 130 million. So now when they were guiding for 1,000 studio opening like this year, they were guiding for 255 to 275 million, but they lowered their guidance, so the revenue guidance go down as well. I think when they announced the news, the stock price drops like 60%. So that's very crazy. I think 50% or something like that. And because like don't have much cash left, only got like 11 million, and like within 3 months or 6 months, if they don't get any more cash or become free cash flow positive, they might go bankrupt. So I just gonna put like $50 on this stock and check it out what it does, and keep an eye out on what it does as well. Okay, other things about this company is that their franchise model is like they are 100% franchise model, so they don't open their own studios. So every time you go to a studio, it's owned by independent entrepreneur that manage or run the studio. So what's their fees like? Okay, so the minimum fixed cost is 2.5% or 7%, whichever is higher. But to open one of those F45 training studios, it will be very expensive. It's like $350 thousand dollars to open, and then when you open it, you gotta also buy equipment from F45 as well. So it's very similar to excuse me. So it's very similar to Planet Fitness as well. Franchiser, they also have to buy equipment from the from Planet Fitness. Okay, so when they were doing uh like IPO presentation, so their goal was 23,000 studios worldwide. So Australia, they were targeting 800, so they already sold like 803. So they are Australia, they were founded in Australia, so Australia is already saturated market. United States, they think the potential is 7,000 studios, and rest of the world is 15,000. So long-term 23,000 studio guidance. So I don't know why the CEO stepped down from the CEO post, but I check out his see if he like sold any stock. So I don't think he sold any stock. He was buying it like the $10 range, but it don't look. I think it'll be if I think this is an Australia company. I don't know if it's if they are US based. We can see if insider or selling or holding. If it's an Australia company, it's a foreign company. You cannot see the insider transaction. So one like Lewis Capital Management, he's been buying the stock so at 260. So that's a good sign. Like recently on August 18, August 22, August 25, he's been buying the stock. Oh yeah, they also have a a famous movie actor, Wilbur Mark. WHLBERGMark. So that's a famous movie star. Also, he invested pretty early, but right now he look like he's been dumping it a lot of the F45 stock. So he's the one that's dumping, right? Only the person that's dumping, and CFO dumps them as well. But the CEO on 2021 on November, he bought some stock at the $10 range. Right now is at $2 range. So that's pretty good. It don't look like he's selling anything right now for the CEO. So I don't know how long this company will survive. So oh yeah, and then they are going to trying to get into gyms and universities. So like Stanford University, not gyms, excuse me. So just trying to get on like government office, corporate office, hospitality, like those kind of places to open F45. So also like you can go to Google and type in your F45 locations and you can read the reviews. They're always really good. I found like 30-40 reviews and it was all of them are like almost perfect. 5 star, 4.7 star, 4.6 star. So it's all really high reviews. So definitely check it out and leave a comment below on what you think about F45 if you go there or if you test it out before. Okay, so also like the presentation, they also break down the revenue. So for 2021, 74 million was franchise fee and 60 million was equipment fee. 2020, and that's when the flu happened. So that's like 53 million franchise, 30 million equipment. 2019, 43 million franchise, 50 million equipment. Okay, so that's basically the business. So just want to make this video and let you see like what's going on with it's like pretty it looks like very good company because franchise like franchise fees, like their business model is like pretty similar to McDonald's. So I don't know, so I just found this pretty cool stuff, and I just want to make a video and let you know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And also I forgot, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. I only put $50 on this stock, so my portfolio is like 160,000, so it's like 0.005% of my money on this stock. So it was high risk of going bankrupt. So don't bet your house or bet your farm or bet your cow on this company because you'll lose all your money. Okay, so just please be careful and don't make random bets. Don't make random big bets on risky companies. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.